Flip the unit over. Remove 3 7.5mm screws and 6 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over. Open it up. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover, and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Lay the palmrest down. Peel back the tape. And unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the motherboard and 1 2mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Remove the metal bracket. Peel back the tape and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the speaker cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clips, and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Unplug the daughterboard cable from underneath the motherboard. Gently lift up, taking care not to bend or damage the motherboard ports. Plug the daughterboard cable back underneath the motherboard and replace the motherboard back into the port slots. Be sure to remove all cables out from underneath. Plug the camera cable back into the motherboard and reseat the cable. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Plug the speaker cable back into the motherboard. And reseat the LCD cable, then plug it back into the motherboard. Replace the 6 3mm screws into the motherboard and the 1 2mm screw into the Wi-Fi card. Lay the Palmrest down. And plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the Palmrest, and gently push down to snap it back into place. Close the unit, flip it back over, and replace the 3 7.5mm screws and 6 6mm screws.